Alright, so someone asked me how to make something shake, and I'm just going to show this really quick. You create your object, or you take your object, it doesn't matter. Then you just open a new window here and go to the, let's say, to the graph editor, and you're going to make a keyframe I, and let's just use location, doesn't matter really at all. Well, I guess depending. If you want to make the location shake, then you have to obviously key the location once. Then you go to the graph editor over here, press N, and then we have over here the modifiers. And we're going to add a noise modifier, and if we now play this, it's going to shake. Well, it's only shaking on the x-axis, we have to unfold this. We put the modifier on the x-axis, so it seems, so let's remove this again. Let's click on the Y location here, and then we are going to add the noise modifier, and you can see now it's green, now it's on the Y-axis, now it's shaking forward and backward. If we delete this again and we are selecting the Z location, we can use this noise modifier on the Z location here, and we can also modify it. If I make this a bit bigger here, you can read it. Scale is obviously how many shakes we have per second. If I scale this up, it's going to do less shakes, yeah. And the strength is obviously how far it shakes. The offset is just like you can move it along if you want, right? And the phase, yeah, feels like also a sort of shifting, I guess. And depth is like the noise and range, yeah, like the detail. So, and you can also hear it says copy. I think this is copy, right? Stop this. This is copy. Copy, yeah. And you can go to Y and paste this in. You can go to location to X and paste this in, and it will now shake in every direction with the same noise. And you just have to adjust this and copy it to the axis you want.